everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I always try to bring you new topics and fresh ideas, and my goal is to educate you in a fun and interesting way. Today we are going to learn about one of the most colorful and intelligent birds in the world, parrots. Let's explore the different types of parrots and what makes each one so special. Parrots belong to a bird group called Psittacidae. They are known for their bright feathers, curved beaks, and the ability to mimic sound. Parrots are not just beautiful birds, they are also among the most intelligent creatures on earth. Did you know that parrots can copy human speech, solve puzzles, and even express emotions? They live in warm places like rainforests, jungles, and even in some homes as pets. So let's explore some amazing types of parrots and find out what makes each one unique. Blue and gold macaw. This is one of the most famous and eye-catching parrots. It has bright blue wings and back with a golden yellow chest. Blue and gold macaws are large, smart, and love to talk and play. They live in the rainforest of South America and can live for over 50 years. These parrots are full of energy and are known for their loud voices and strong beaks. This parrot is truly a flying rainbow. It is not just about looks, but they are also super smart. They can learn tricks, copy words, and even recognize their owners. They use their big strong beaks to crack open nuts and climb trees. They can live up to 60 years or more if kept happy and healthy. That's almost a lifetime. With their loud squawks, playful nature, and clever minds, they are one of the most loved parrots in the world. They form strong bonds with their owners. They need lots of attention and love because of their beauty and brains. They are often called the kings and the queens of the parrot world. Finally, it's a burst of color, intelligence, and personality in the sky. Next one is sun conure. This little parrot looks like a tiny sunset. The sun conure has bright orange, yellow, red, and green feathers that shine in the sunlight. It's a small parrot, but don't be fooled. It's super loud, playful, and full of energy. Sun conures are very friendly and love spending time with people. They can copy sounds and love to cuddle with their owners. These birds come from South America and are known for their cheerful personalities. They may be small, but their beauty and charm light up every room. The sun conure is like sunshine with wings, warm, bright, and always full of life. With their bright colors and silky tricks, sun conures are true entertainers of the parrot world. Next one is Eastern rosella. Say hello to one of the prettiest parrots from Australia, the Eastern rosella. It has a red head, white cheeks, yellow chest, green wings, and a blue tail. Like a rainbow in feathers, Eastern rosellas are shy in the wild but become friendly and playful if raised with care. They love to whistle sweet tunes and can even mimic simple sounds. These parrots mostly live in open forests and gardens, feeding on seeds, fruits, and flowers. The Eastern rosella is a quiet beauty, graceful, colorful, and always peaceful to watch. They are excellent flyers and often seen gliding smoothly across fields and woodlands. Unlike some noisy parrots, Eastern rosellas are calm and gentle, and making them great garden visitors. Their soft whistles and bright colors bring joy whenever they go. Rainbow lorikeet. This bird looks like it flew right out of the crayon box. With a bright blue head, green wings, orange chest, and yellow markings, the rainbow lorikeet is one of the most colorful parrots in the world. They are super active, playful, and love to hang out in pairs and noisy groups. Rainbow lorikeets are nectar lovers. They feed on the sweet juice of flowers using their special brush-tipped tongues. They live in Australia and are often seen zooming around in parks and gardens. Their happy chirping and bright feathers make them hard to miss. The rainbow lorikeet is a flying rainbow, cheerful, colorful, and full of energy. Yellow-streaked lory. This parrot may not be as famous, but it's just as stunning. The yellow-streaked lory has bright red feathers with bold yellow streaks on its back and wings. It also has hints of green and red, making it look like a painted bird. These parrots come from the island of Indonesia and love tropical forest. They are playful, curious, and love to chatter with their flock. They mostly eat fruit, nectar, and soft seeds using their strong curved beaks. The yellow-streaked lory may be rare, but its beauty and playful nature make it unforgettable. This parrot is small, bright, and full of fun. Next one is Jandaya parakeet. This little parrot looks like a mix of fire and forest. This colorful bird is a close cousin of the sun conure and just as cheerful with its orange face, yellow chest, green wings, and blue tipped tail. The Jandaya parakeet is a real beauty from Brazil. These parrots are social, energetic, and love being around people and other birds. They have loud, high pitched voices and enjoy chatting throughout the day. Jandaya parakeets are also very intelligent and can learn simple tricks and sounds. They mostly eat fruits, nuts, seeds, and sometimes flowers. In the wild, they live in flocks and fly from tree to tree, always looking for food and fun. The Jandaya parakeet is a tiny firecracker, colorful, curious, and always full of life. Blue-headed parrot. As you can see in the picture, this beautiful parrot has a bright blue head and neck with a green body. It looks like it's wearing a colorful coat. Blue-headed parrots are medium-sized and are found in the tropical forest of Central and South America. They are quite friendly and often travel in flocks. They love to eat fruits, seeds, and flowers and are often seen high up in the trees. Though not very loud, they can learn to mimic a few sounds and words if trained with care. The blue-headed parrot is calm, clever, and a true jungle gem. Crimson rosella. This parrot is known for its deep red feathers and beautiful blue wings. The crimson rosella comes from Australia and is often seen in forests, gardens, and parks. It's a shy but gentle bird that whistles sweet tunes instead of loud squawks. Young crimson rosellas are green and they slowly turn red as they grow up. They enjoy eating seeds, berries, and even insects in the wild. The crimson rosella is quite elegant and one of nature's true masterpieces. Its bright red and blue feathers make it look like a living painting in the trees. Its soft whistling sounds make it one of the sweetest singers among parrots. Black-headed parrot. This parrot has a bold black head, bright orange yellow chest and green wings, a truly eye-catching bird, also called the kike. The black-headed parrot is known for its playful and clown-like behavior. It comes from the Amazon rainforest and loves to hop, roll and even wrestle with other birds. They are full of energy, always moving, and love to be the center of attention. The black-headed parrot is small but full of fun, like a bouncing ball of color and joy. Unlike many parrots, they prefer hopping to fly, and they are great at it. They are very curious and love to explore everything around them. With the right care, they can become very tame and form strong bonds with their owners. Collared lory. This stunning parrot is the national bird of Fiji. The collared lory has a bright red body, green wings, and a black collar around its head, like it's wearing a helmet. It loves drinking nectar and flying between tropical flowers. They are small, social, and often seen in pairs or small flocks. Their brush-tipped tongue helps them sip nectar from flowers, just like a hummingbird. The collared lory is a tiny, colorful nectar love that adds life to every rainforest it touches. It's the only parrot species that is native only to Fiji's islands. Its feathers are so bright and shiny that it looks like a flying jewel. Collared lories are very active and love to chatter as they move from tree to tree. They nest in tree holes and use their curved beaks to cling to branches and flowers. Chattering lory. Meet the noisy star of the forest, the chattering lory. This beautiful parrot has a bright red body, green wings, and a playful personality. It gives its name from the non-stop chattering sounds it makes all day long. Chattering lory are found in the forests of Indonesia and love to live high in the trees. They are friendly, active, and love interacting with people when kept as pets. These parrots enjoy fruits, nectars, and lots of social time with their flock. Their loud voice and funny behavior make them one of the most entertaining parrots. The chattering lory is a talking, climbing, colorful bundle of fun. They can be trained to say a few words and love to mimic household sounds. Their bright red feathers make them look like flying flames in the forest. They are very social birds and can get bored if left alone for too long. Chattering lories often hang upside down while playing like little acrobats. With proper care and attention, they can live up to 20 to 30 years. They love attention and will happily chatter away to get noticed. Their energy and charm make them one of the most lovable parrots in the world. Ornate lorikeet. The ornate lorikeet is a small and very colorful bird. Its head is dark blue or violet blue. The chest is bright red or orange with yellow lines that look like small decorations. That's why it is called ornate. Its wings and back are green and its belly is also green but with yellow patches, which makes it look even more attractive. These parrots are found in Indonesia. They love to live in tropical forests, gardens, and even plantations. The ornate lorikeet is a very attractive, playful, and noisy bird. They love to fly in small groups and enjoy climbing trees and hanging upside down. Their favorite food is nectar and pollen from flowers. Moluccan Eclectus. The Moluccan Eclectus is a medium-sized parrot with very colorful feathers. The most amazing thing is that male and female look completely different. It feels like they are two different species, but they are not. They are just male and female of the same bird. They are found in the Moluccan island in Indonesia. They love to eat fruits, berries, flowers, seeds, and nuts. With proper care, this parrot can live up to 30 years or even more. A ringneck parakeet. The ringneck parakeet is a medium-sized parrot with a beautiful long tail. Special thing is the black and pink ring around the neck of the male parrot. Female usually don't have the ring or it's very light. These parrots are very clever, playful, and active. They are also very good at learning human words and sounds. With practice, they can speak full sentences in clear voices. This parrot is loved all over the world because of its beauty and its amazing talking ability. Red-collared lorikeet. The red-collared lorikeet is a medium-sized parrot with beautiful rainbow-like colors. It has a blue head, green wings and tail, and an orange chest. The most special part is the red band or collar around the back of its neck. That's why it is called the red-collared lorikeet. This bird is very active, noisy, and playful. They mostly eat nectar and pollen from flowers. With good care, these parrots can live up to 15 to 20 years in captivity. Yellow-bibbed lory. Yellow-bibbed lory is mostly bright red and has green wings and a little blue on its belly and tail. But the most special thing is the yellow patch on its chest, which looks like a bib. That's why it is called the yellow-bibbed lory. It also has a bright orange beak and orange-red eyes. They also enjoy soft fruits like mangoes, bananas, and papayas. These parrots are very friendly, playful, and social. With good care, yellow-bibbed lories can live up to 20 to 25 years. They are very active birds and need plenty of spaces and toys to stay happy. Green-winged macaw. Green-winged macaw is a very large and colorful parrot. Its body is mostly bright red with green feathers on its wings and some beautiful blue on the tips of the wings and tail. The green-winged macaw is found in the rainforest of South America. They love to live in tall trees, near rivers, and in thick forests. These parrots are very intelligent, social, and gentle. They are usually seen in pairs or small groups. In the wild, they eat fruits, nuts, seeds, and berries. With good care, green-winged macaws can live up to 50 to 70 years, sometimes even longer. That's why they are called a lifetime companion. This is a giant, colorful, and intelligent parrot that is loved all over the world. Now, the next one is a scarlet macaw. It is also a very large and colorful parrot. Its body is mostly bright red, which is why it's called scarlet. Its wings have beautiful yellow and blue feathers, and its tail is long and red with a bit of blue. Scarlet macaw lives in the rainforest of Central and South America, especially in countries like Mexico, Brazil, Peru, and Colombia. Australian king parrot. The Australian king parrot is a medium to large size parrot. The male parrot looks very bright and colorful. It has a red head and chest, a green back and wings, and a blue tail. The female looks different from the male. The Australian king parrot is found in the eastern parts of Australia, especially in rainforest, woodlands, and mountain areas. They love places where there are plenty of trees and fresh water. These parrots are usually calm, gentle, and shy in the wild. They love to sit quietly in trees and are not as noisy as other parrots. If kept as pets, they can become very friendly and loving with their owners. With good care, these parrots can live up to 20 to 25 years. They need fresh food, clean water, and plenty of space to fly and play. Australian king parrots eat fruits, seeds, berries, nuts, and flowers. They also enjoy fresh vegetables like corn, peas, and leafy greens. In the wild, they often come to people's gardens to eat seeds and fruits. This bird is famous for its bright colors and royal look. That's why it's called the king parrot. Sulphur-crested cockatoo. It is also a large white parrot. Its whole body is covered in pure white feathers, but the special thing is the bright yellow feathers on top of its head, called a crest. When the bird is happy, scared, or excited, it raises this yellow crest like a crown. They are smart, loud, and funny parrots with a beautiful yellow crest. White ringneck parrot. This parrot is not only unique because of its color but also because of its gentle nature and ability to talk. It has a pure white body with soft clean feathers and red beak. These parrots are very clever, playful, and friendly. They love to fly, play with toys, and interact with people. They can learn to speak many words and short sentences if trained with love and patience. Their favorite foods include seeds, grains, fruits, and vegetables. With good care, a white ringneck parrot can live up to 25 to 30 years. They need time, attention, and a safe space to fly and play. White umbrella cockatoo. Umbrella cockatoos are very affectionate, playful, and social. They love to talk, mimic sounds, and scream loudly when they are excited. They enjoy spending time with their owners and need lots of attention and care. They are beautiful, white, and very intelligent parrot. When they raises their crest, it looks just like a little umbrella opening up, which make it look even more adorable and funny. They love to eat fruits, seeds, nuts, and berries. With proper care, they can live up to 60 to 80 years. That's why they are called lifelong companions. So friends, today you learned about the different types of parrots, from colorful lorikeets to big macaws and clever cockatoos. Isn't it amazing how each parrot is unique in its own way? If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.